Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a HubSpot developer account. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a HubSpot developer account is a game changer for anyone who wants to build custom integrations or harness the power of HubSpot's robust API features. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, setting up a developer account is your crucial first step. Imagine having the ability to seamlessly integrate and enhance your applications using HubSpot's powerful tools. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can set up your account smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. Once you're ready, head over to Google. This will be our starting point for accessing HubSpot's developer resources. In the Google search bar, go ahead and type HubSpot Developer Account. Now, don't worry if you don't see exactly what you're looking for on your first attempt. The goal here is to find the most direct path to the right page. Look for the search result that reads, Get Started HubSpot Developer Account. It should be prominently featured among the top results, possibly even the first. Clicking on this link will take you straight to the HubSpot Developer Resources page. This is where the magic begins. Once you've arrived on the Developer Resources page, you'll need to locate a button that says, Create App Developer Account. This button is essentially your entryway into the HubSpot developer world. Clicking it will grant you access to a suite of tools and support specifically designed for creating custom integrations with HubSpot services. At this point, you might need to log into an existing HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can easily sign up for a new account. Should you already have a HubSpot account, simply enter your login credentials. Otherwise, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account, which typically involves entering basic information like your email address and setting a secure password. It's crucial to choose a strong password to keep your account safe. After you've logged in or completed the new account setup, you'll find yourself on the developer dashboard. This dashboard is a treasure trove of options, offering various developer tools and resources. However, for today's focus, we're concentrating on finalizing your new app developer account, a process you've already initiated by following these steps. Exploring this dashboard further, you'll notice access to a wealth of API documentation, development insights, and community forums. These resources are incredibly valuable for supporting your development process within HubSpot's ecosystem. You can start by creating test apps, installing them on your test account, and truly experiencing the integration process with HubSpot's powerful platform. And just like that, you've learned how to set up your HubSpot developer account. Don't hesitate to dive deeper into the comprehensive documentation HubSpot offers, as it will significantly assist you on your development journey. Now you're all set to start building and integrating without any hassle. That's it for this tutorial on how to create a HubSpot developer account. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.